Hey there, new parents. I'm here to guide you through the ultimate AZ baby care tips. Let's dive right in. A is for attention. Babies need loads of it. A simple smile or a gentle touch can make their day. B is for burping. After every feed, gently pat their back to release that trapped air. C is for crying. It's their way of communicating. Sometimes it's hunger, other times it's a dirty diaper. D is for diapers. Always keep a fresh stock. Trust me, you'll need them. E is for environment. Keep it clean and baby-proofed. Safety first. F is for feeding. Whether it's breast or bottle, ensure they're getting enough nutrients. G is for growth. Track their milestones and discuss any concerns with your pediatrician. H is for hygiene. Regular baths, clean clothes, and sanitized toys are a must. I is for immunizations. Keep up with their vaccination schedule to protect them from diseases. J is for jaundice. Newborn jaundice is common. Watch for yellowing of the skin or eyes and consult your doctor if you notice it. K is for kisses. Shower them with love and affection. It's good for bonding. L is for lullabies. Singing to your baby can be incredibly soothing for them and for you too. M is for milestones. Celebrate each one from their first smile to their first steps. N is for naps. Babies need a lot of sleep. Ensure they have a quiet, comfy place to rest. O is for outdoors. Fresh air and a change of scenery can do wonders. P is for pacifiers. They can soothe a fussy baby, but use them wisely. Q is for quiet time. Sometimes they just need a peaceful moment to themselves. R is for routine. Establishing a daily schedule can help both you and your baby. S is for swaddling. It mimics the womb and helps them feel secure. T is for teething. It can be tough, but teething rings and cold washcloths can help soothe their gums. U is for understanding. Each baby is unique. What works for one might not work for another. V is for vitamins. Ensure they get the right ones, especially vitamin D. W is for weight. Regular checkups to monitor their growth are essential. X is for extra clothes. Always have a spare set in your diaper bag. Accidents happen. Y is for you time. Don't forget to take care of yourself too. A happy parent means a happy baby. Z is for Zizis. Good sleep for both of you is crucial. Rest when the baby rests. And there you have it, the ultimate AZ baby care guide. Remember, parenting is a journey. Enjoy every moment. You've got this.